California bearing ratio proficiency samples 187 and 188 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on March 16, 2023. Please note that sample 187 and sample 188 are shipped in separate boxes and will most likely arrive a few days apart. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. Use caution when opening the boxes, as a box cutter style knife may puncture the sample bags inside. For CBR rounds 187 and 188, there will be one bag of material in each sample box. Each bulk bag will contain approximately 8.7 kilograms of blended soil that is 100% passing the 2.36 millimeter number 8 sieve. Treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. When preparing the samples for testing, determine the as-received moisture content of each of the two samples and report the results to the nearest 0.1%. Once the moisture content as received is determined, add additional moisture to accurately achieve the target moisture contents listed below. Prepare one specimen per sample using the rammer specified in AASHTO T99 or ASTM D698. Each specimen is to be prepared by using the 2.5 kilogram 5.5 pound rammer, compacting the soil in 3 layers using 56 blows per layer. Compact sample 187A at a total water content of 8%. Compact sample 188B at a total water content of 8.0%. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the data sheets and instructions page. Thank you for your continued commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.